All right, today we're cracking open the new AI toolkit. We're going to look at 15 tools that are absolutely changing the game for how we create and work. This isn't just for tech pros anymore. This is for everyone. Let's just dive right in.
Does it feel like a dozen new AI tools pop up every single day? Yeah. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all the options, trust me, you are not alone. It's a total innovation explosion out there.
So our goal here is to just cut right through all that noise. We're going to take that chaos and turn it into a really practical, useful toolkit that you can start using like today. Let's get this stuff organized.
First up, let's talk about the AI Design Studio. You know, this section is for literally anyone who needs professional-looking visuals but doesn't have a design degree. These tools are completely leveling the playing field.
Okay, so check these two out. They solve different creative problems. On one hand, you've got Ideogram. This thing is for instant results. You type in what you want and bam, you've got posters or graphics for social media. Perfect for a quick ad. But then you have Leonardo AI, which is all about realism. It can generate a photorealistic mock-up of a new product you're designing. We're talking professional-grade concept art for a big client presentation.
Now, for any startups out there, this one is an absolute lifesaver. Brandmark.ai tackles branding, a process that can seriously cost thousands of dollars and take weeks. With this, you get a logo, a color palette, the whole brand kit in minutes, and for a tiny fraction of the cost. It's like getting a professional identity instantly.
Okay, moving on to your AI writing assistant. And let's be clear, these tools are so much more than just fancy grammar checkers. They are your new research partner and co-writer, and they are ready to save you just countless hours of work.
So let's look at two tools from Google that have really different superpowers. Gemini is your all-purpose assistant that lives right inside Google Workspace. It'll write, code, and summarize without you ever having to switch tabs. Notebook LM, though, is different. It becomes an expert on your stuff. You feed it your notes, your reports, your documents, and it will instantly pull out key insights from your own knowledge base. So cool. Notion AI basically puts a brain inside your project management system. That helps you draft things like job descriptions, or it can automate your meeting notes, all without leaving your workspace. And then there's Snack Prompt, which is kind of a meta tool. It's like a coach. It doesn't create anything itself. Instead, it teaches you how to write better prompts so you get way more accurate and creative results from all the other AIs you're using.
All right, let's talk video. For the longest time, video production has been super expensive and really complex. Well, not anymore. Welcome to your own personal AI-powered movie studio.
This is a really important distinction to understand in AI video right now. On one side, you have tools that enhance reality. Think of something like Runway ML. It takes your existing videos and adds incredible professional visual effects. But then you have the tools that straight up create reality. Google's VO3, for example, can generate a brand new cinematic video clip from nothing more than a text description. Mind-blowing stuff.
Now, if you're a content creator on a tight deadline, InVideo.io is going to be your new best friend. It's built specifically for making social media content, like YouTube Shorts, really fast. It's got templates, it has AI voiceovers. You can go from a script to a finished video with basically zero editing experience.
Okay, our final category is all about one thing: efficiency. These are the tools designed to take over the boring, tedious tasks, supercharge your productivity, and just let you focus on the work that actually matters.
Man, these next two are some serious time savers. Gamma app pretty much automates presentation design. You just give it your notes, and it builds a beautiful, engaging pitch deck for you. Think of all the hours of formatting you get back. And Read AI? Just say goodbye to taking meeting notes forever. It joins your calls, transcribes everything, and then hands you a perfect summary when you're done. Okay, this is for all the big thinkers and innovators out there. Napkin AI is built for brainstorming. It takes all your scattered ideas and magically organizes them into these clean, structured visual maps. It turns a chaotic whiteboard session into a clear strategy. And for those of you who want to build your own AI solutions, Labs.com is your sandbox. It's a place to play around, experiment with different AI models, and test custom workflows. It just accelerates your path to the next big thing.
So, we've seen tools that can write, design, and analyze. But what if there was a tool that could just watch what you do and then create a perfect set of instructions for somebody else?
Well, that's exactly what Guide does, and it honestly feels like magic, especially for training and customer support. You just perform a task on your computer like you normally would. Guide just watches in the background, capturing every single click and action. And then Instantly, it generates a step-by-step visual guide or a video. It's effortless how-to documentation. It's incredible.
Okay, so we've just ripped through 15 really powerful tools. For designers, writers, marketers, strategists, there is something in here for everyone. But what's the big takeaway from all this? What does it all really mean?
Here's the thing, and this is the most important part. While every single one of these tools is impressive on its own, the real, transformative power, it doesn't actually lie in mastering just one of them.
The true revolution is in the combination. That's the secret sauce. Imagine this. You use Notebook LM to pull deep insights from your own research docs. Then you take those insights and you feed them to Gemini to draft a killer marketing plan. Then you toss that plan into Gamma to instantly build a beautiful client presentation, and you fill it with custom visuals you made in Ideogram. That's not just a workflow. That's a super-powered workflow. The magic is in how you connect the dots.
So the final question I want to leave you with is this. Are you ready to stop thinking about AI as just one tool you use and start seeing it as your new, indispensable partner in both your creativity and your productivity? The toolkit is right here. The pieces are on the board. Now it's time to build.